Welcome guys, welcome to Mrs. Z, back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show to you guys my £5,000 professional knife collection. Let's start from the big boy. Bread knife, classic bread knife. You can see the blade goes up and down. I don't know if you can see it, is kind of detailed. There is a lot of blades that go on top of each other. This little baby, it's about 750 pounds. It's a magnificent knife, has been with me for years. So then, we have one of my favorites. This is called a Santoku knife, made with a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful handle. It's bamboo. This baby has been elaborated, it's been worked, lots of blades on top, beautiful decoration. This is handmade in Japan from an artisan. Why is it called Santoku? You know, chef knife is straight, vegetable knife goes down like this. This itself is in the region of 2,000 pounds. It's incredible. This baby, something very, very special, bought in Japan, sushi and sashimi knife. Super light, super balanced, fantastic handle. As you can see, it's covered by plastic because you handle a lot of fish. It's in the region of 1,000, 1,200, I don't remember really well. This cuts a massive tuna just like that, just it was butter. This is called a butcher knife, classic, wood stuff. I would say in the region of 200, 150, 200 tops. What's a butcher knife? Butcher knife, boning knife, they call it in many ways. It's used to go inside the meat and cut it, clean the bones from the meat. So yeah, this is one of my first knives from Le Cordon Bleu, from when I started. Incredible, been with me since then. Really, really good knife. Here we have utility knife. This is made for fruits, for small things, for peeling. This itself is not too expensive, it's probably in the region of 200, more or less, and it's just exceptional. This is not a knife, but it's my beautiful buddy, spatula knife. I keep it in my pocket over here, and this, I can either lift something, I can cut something because it's super sharp, and I can plate something, and also if somebody is being a bad boy, I can do like this on the hand, so it's really good. You like this. It's really good. So this is another Santoku, bit bigger. You can see the comparison. The difference is crazy. So this is massive. The weight, this is like a feather. This is really heavy. Why? It's very, very good for when you have to do a lot of preparation because you use the weight of your knife rather than your hand and your wrist to cut. This is a fantastic knife in the region of 500 pounds tops, more or less. So this is my, 50% of the knives I own, but these are my professional ones. All the rest is for fun. I have them in my house. I have a massive Chinese fucking knife. I have all sort of things. But this is the main selection and this is what I travel with. Super important. For fun, we received today something from Amazon. I received this beautiful thing from Untitled. You happy? Good. But let's remember something. When you buy knives, store-bought knives are sharp as hell. But if you use them a week, they become blunt. This one, give an example, it takes 6 months to go blunt. 6 months of me using it every day. It's incredible. What's inside? This is... the fuck is this? Why is it black? I actually don't know what this knife is. It's not flexible, so it's not a filleting knife. I don't actually, guys, no. I don't fucking know. And they put a little beautiful thing. It's okay, it's not very sharp. I don't fucking know. Then we have, oh yeah, utility knife, classic. This is a sort of peeling knife, actually. Very small. The handle is terrible. What the fuck is this? How much was this? I think I spent something like 12 pounds on a set. Was not much. But it's good to compare, you know what I mean? What the fuck is this? A pizza knife. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that. Is it like to cut pizza like this? It's so weird. Or like this. Oh, a bread knife. Beautiful. This is nice. This is something that probably is worth all the 12 pounds I spent on a set. Really nice. Beautiful. Ooh, a cheese knife. I'm a bit speechless. Okay, chef knife. Really nice. Has a little bit of Santoku going on. Sort of. And then we have, an actual Santoku knife. This is more of a chef. This is more of a Santoku. As you can see, it goes down. Nice, for 12 pounds. It's not fucking bad. All right, so we're gonna test some of the knives. So we have cabbage, we have a ciabatta, we have a pear. All right, let's start with a classic bread knife. Bread knives. It's very hard. This is something that probably is worth all the 12 pounds I spent on a set. But at the end we got there. This is considered to be a store-bought knife, so it will be the sharpest it will ever be in its lifetime. This is something that probably haven't sharpened in about 3 months. As you can see already, I mean, I'm not joking guys, I'm just using the blade, I'm not putting any sort of strength. So yeah, this is a bit shit. 12 pounds, I know, but a bit shit. Now, the cabbage. Let's have my Santoku knife, and let's have their Santoku knife. It's a classic. Ooh, this is a bit. So it's not, as you can see, if I go down, it's too slippery, so it doesn't cut really well. It doesn't have much grip. Give it a quick comparison. It's insane the difference between these two. Mine has a crazy amount of grip. Let me show you a good way how to test sharpness of a knife in terms of, you know, how sharp can it get. So for example, this is my sashimi knife. So the question is, how thin can we slice a pear? Usually I don't slice from sitting down, but the idea is that you get a slice of pear that you can see through. So it needs to be, you see, if you pass the finger through it, you can see a shadow. If you try to do it with one of these knives, if you put some skills, probably can. That's not bad. You know, the beauty of these knives is that literally you can go pop, and you should be able to cut it without any effort, like fucking butter. Literally. This is a fucking hard pear as well. Then, you know, a good test that you can do is the paper test. Let's start with a few. You know, not bad. And then you can see how many you can actually cut. Woo! Oh well. Can we try with them? So no, it's not very easy. I don't know if you can see, it's all breaking. Probably two they can do. No, they cannot cut. So guys, why did I make this episode on knives? To show you, you know, what real knives are, that you need to be careful with them. I will show you one day, you know, how to cut. Learn about knives, learn about life. And, you know, have fun, of course. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Make sure that, you know, you share this with your friends, comment your reactions, tell me what you want me to do next. Stay tuned, a lot of collaborations are coming with amazing people. Ciao.